This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz GLK 350. This crossover has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, heated seats, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, a first aid kit, a pass-through rear seat, and an auxiliary power outlet. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Thank you for considering Isringhausen Imports for your next new or pre-owned luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located in downtown Springfield at 229 East Jefferson. We look forward to serving you.